Are glass coverage laws different by state? Have you ever wondered how glass coverage laws can change depending on where you live? Understanding these laws is essential for anyone who drives. Let's break down what you need to know about glass coverage in auto insurance and how it varies by state. Glass coverage usually falls under the comprehensive section of your auto insurance policy. This part of your policy covers damage that is not caused by collisions, such as vandalism or road debris. When you file a claim for glass damage, you may encounter something called a deductible. This is the amount you must pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in to cover the rest of the repair or replacement costs. Now, here is where things get interesting. In certain states, there are laws that affect whether you have to pay a deductible for glass claims, especially for windshields. For instance, if you live in Florida, Kentucky, or South Carolina, you are in luck. These states requiring insurance companies to waive the deductible for windshield repairs or replacements if you have comprehensive coverage. This means you can get your windshield fixed without spending any money upfront. Arizona takes it a step further. In this state, full glass coverage is mandated with no deductible for all types of vehicle glass, including safety glass and tempered glass. This is a great benefit for drivers who want to ensure their vehicles are safe and roadworthy. On the other hand, states like Connecticut, Massachusetts, New York, and Minnesota give insurance companies the option to offer glass coverage without a deductible. However, it is not mandatory. This means you may have to pay extra for this benefit if you want it. South Carolina has a unique rule. It prohibits deductibles for safety glass repairs or replacements but does not extend this to tempered glass, like side windows. This can be a bit confusing, so it's essential to know what type of glass your claim involves. In many other states, comprehensive coverage includes glass damage but usually requires you to pay a deductible unless you purchase separate glass coverage or an endorsement that waives it. So, what does this mean for you as a car insurance policyholder? If you live in a state with laws that waive the glass deductible, you can save money and encourage timely repairs. In states without such laws, you might think twice about filing a claim for minor glass damage due to the deductible. When you file a claim for glass damage, the evaluation process will determine if repair or replacement is necessary. Some states encourage quick repairs by removing financial barriers like deductibles. This can help reduce the risk of further damage or safety issues. Insurance adjusters will consider state regulations when processing glass claims. They want to ensure compliance with local laws regarding deductibles and coverage. Knowing your state's specific laws and your insurance policy details can help you make informed decisions about whether to file a claim for glass damage or pay out of pocket. Understanding the differences in glass coverage laws by state is vital for managing costs and ensuring your vehicle is safe. So, be sure to check your local laws and your insurance policy to know what to expect when it comes to glass damage evaluation and claims.